I'm ready to spray buff the floor. I want to show you up close about how much spray buff I'll need for probably 10 square feet. And we only need a little spritz on the floor. So that's about all we need on the floor to get started here. I have my slow speed machine ready to go. I have a red pad on that machine because I'm going to use this to remove dirt. So I put a little spritz of spray buff on the floor. Turn the machine on. Now the most effective way to spray buff is to go across one section of tile twice. Move back, go across one section of tile twice, move back, go across one section of tile twice, move back, across one section of tile again. Going to add a little more spray buff. Across and back. Notice, I'm controlling the area that I'm working. I'm only making 2 passes with the machine, and I'm working backwards. The machine is delivering pad pressure to the floor, and the spray buff material is removing the dirt and hopefully putting it into the pad. This is my cleaning step. Slow speed spray buffing at 175 or 375 RPMs is a 2-step process. This is the cleaning step. Here's the